Advice to everyone, especially I just want to say to my friend, teacher Gio Malana, and even I already told to Terra Francisco that I tweeted them in X, formerly Twitter, that I advised them to block Best Spills Arnel Castillo. That is Twitter account or username. His username was ACGJ Channel or Gi Twitter account. That was a Twitter account of Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Because as I'm saying to you, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, thanks to Harbatera, he unfriended you in Facebook. He blocked you on Facebook. Oh, because Arbatera, Victor Martin Soriano had already blocked you in Twitter, in X. Oh, he already blocked you in Facebook. Oh, for what you're doing. You post about pornography on X in Twitter. You don't have a shame in the public, best pills. Arnel Castillo, for me, as I'm saying to you, if I were you, best pills, Arnel Castillo, you should be ashamed of yourself. Oh, for what you just did to Ate Melcanete, the former CDIFI teachers and staff. Oh, especially Ate Rona, who was retired already in CDIFI. Oh, she's focusing in her children. Oh, if you add Ate Rona in your stupid group chat, best pills, I will brutal you. Totally. I will slap your face at the time. Sasampalin kita, best pills. That's why. you know, Ate Rona says to me, oh, I never make a kind of a stupid group chat on Facebook. Oh, one more adding anyone, not only Ate Rona, not only uh, um, um, John Almonte, Stefan Pimentel, o even Bill Galang. Please, best pills, Arnel Castillo. Do not make a stupid group chat. People are disturbing at you. Thanks to Harbatera, Victor Martin Soriano. He already blocked you on Facebook. Oh, especially Felix Sabines. Oh, he already blocked you on Facebook. Oh, they already blocked you in Facebook. Oh, even teacher Gio Malana had already blocked you on Facebook. Oh, because for what you are doing, it is not nice. Oh, even your stupid Facebook post of your saying tahanang pinakamasaya, why can't you just move on? Past is past. Oh. However, if I'm saying to you, best pills, Arnel Castillo in my YouTube blog, there is nothing you can do. Oh. Whether in your social media or your nonsense, you're saying taan ang pinakamasaya, they're not tolerate your behavior. At least Mang Rodelio Daguman had already blocked you on Facebook. Oh, even Felix Sabines had already blocked you on Facebook. You are really notorious. Oh, for what you just did to Joseph Maspinas, you're saying in Tagalog, Sasabugin ko ang Davao at Quezon City. If the people of Quezon City, if the people of Davao City, if they heard it, if they heard it to Sara Duterte, if they heard it to Joy Belmonte, if you heard it to Gian Soto, even Sebastian Duterte, Gian Soto, that was a son of Tito Soto, the host of Itbulaga of TVJ. You should be ashamed of yourself, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo. Just like you said, what you did to Diwata. After Diwata, what you just did to Shania Kayana, Joseph Maspinas. And next, you post a pornography in X, in Twitter. Your Twitter account is ACGJ Channel, G. You don't have give us a shame. Even Eugene Asejo and also Jeffrey Asejo, both of you. You know, Gene Asejo, you should never make a bomb joke in social media. Like you said, you say in Tagalog words, sasabukid ko ang Quezon City at Davao City. If you heard that in the public, Gene Asejo, it will be passed to the Philippine Embassy in Japan, in Tokyo. It will be passed to the Philippine Consulate General in Osaka. They will hear what you're saying, and it's not true. You will get in trouble. You know, Gina Sejo, you're in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, together with your two children, Jeffrey and Crescia Asejo. You know, Gina Asejo, if you make a bomb joke, if you're in the Philippines, or if you make a bomb joke here in Japan, it's prohibited in Japan, just like in United States, just like in Japan, it's prohibited. It's just like here in the Philippines, we have anti bomb joke law, presidential decree 1727, or anti-bomb joke law. It's related to the anti-terror law. For me, Gina Sejo, don't make a bomb joke. Because, you know, me, I'm not making a bomb joke in social media. Just like what happened in the incident that I used a fake account of Larry Chuanico, that I attacked the Santa Maria de la Estrada, and I edit Larry Chuanico was an ISIS terrorist. And then they are panicking. Even David Gill, even Dennis Gill, they're panicking. And they claim me, it was me, And I apologize to my mistake, And I accuse Larry Chuanico, that was his fault, And I apologize for my mistake, and I apologize to the Santa Maria de la Estrada, and I show my consequences, That's what I do. For me, Best Pills are Nel Castillo, Gene Asejo, Jeffrey Asejo, and to those CDIFI teachers and staff, quit on your making a stupid bomb joke. Ate Mel Canete is retired in CDIFI, Even Ate Rona, she is also retired in CDIFI, same as Ate Marie, Don't make a bomb joke. And do not make stress at Ate Melcanete or Ate Rona. I am saying to you, best pills, Arnel Castillo, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, and also Teacher May Tiburcio and Teacher Evelyn Caja. Don't make any kind of stupidity. This is not nice. The karma will get you, all of you, real. Oh, this is what I'm saying. Look at Wilbert Tolentino. He got karma. Oh, he was abandoned by his wife. Karma. Oh, don't do that. Best pills. Arnel Castillo. Jean Asedio. Jeffrey Asedio. Even best pills, Arnel Castillo. Don't do that. People are saying to you, what kind of people are teaching those three imbeciles have never raised their family? What those three idiots, they never raised their family and they never learned their lesson. Oh. I never do that like in the first place. Best pills. Arnel Castillo. For me, best pills, Arnel Castillo. You have to stop making any kind of stupid group chat. Oh. Patrick Eason is warning you. Because if you are as Ma'am Jessa Fernandez, best pills, Arnel Castillo. Look at Calvin Cuevas. He can beaten you. Oh. Totally. Not aside of Calvin Cuevas. Oh. There's the other people in Davao City, and the people of Quezon City. They are beating you. Oh. And they say in Filipino, oh, kukuyugan ka ng mga taga Quezon City at taga Davao City. Oh. You know that best pills, Ardel Castillo, Gina Asedio, and Jeffrey Asedio. Oh. Like I said to three of you, and I am warning to those three idiots. Best pills, Arnel Castillo, Gina Asedio, and Jeffrey Asedio. Like I said, three of you, the people of Davao City and the people of Quezon City, they are going to beaten you. All of you. Like I said, kukuyugin kayo ng mga taga Quezon City at taga Davao City. O they will beaten you. O kukuyugin. O. That's why you should never say a bomb joke. Remember, best pills, Arnel Castillo, Gina Asedio, and Jeffrey Asedio. You don't know who is the governor of Davao City o in Davao del Sur o his uncle o was a councilor in Davao City, the uncle of Joseph Maspinas. Oh. You don't know who is my cousin o my relative o you don't know who is Kuya Mike Labitag. Kuya Mike Labitag is working in House of Representative o he has a friend from Quezon City First District o Arjo Atayde. Oh, if they seen this, best pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, and Jeffrey Asedio, don't make any kind of bomb joke and foolishness. Here in the Philippines, we have anti-bomb joke law, Presidential Decree 1727, or related as anti-terror law. It's related. As perhaps best pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, and Jill Macasandil for those idiots, stop making all of a bomb joke. You make us in harm in social media. You make Joseph Maspinas in harm. Dinamay mo si Joseph Maspinas. What think of four idiots anyway? Jean Asedio, Gilma Casandil, Bess Pills, Arnel Castillo, and Jeffrey Asedio. What kind of four idiots have no manners in social media? For me, I am done of four of you. All of you are imbeciles.